Canadian Tire getting some brake lights and blinker lights, and then I'm gonna put them on myself. I'm gonna be my own mechanic. So here we go. I'm gonna go get them. Let's go get them. See the heart in the clouds there? How we seeing the beauty in the sky. I'm coming from Godrich. Just had to go get some bulbs for my car. And there's a heart in the sky. Look at that. I have to change the brake light and blinker light myself. The only tool I got is this. And I have to take this off, these off here. And I don't know what was going on with the camera. But anyways, there's the two bolts again. And one bolt, and you undo on the inside, and then you come out here and we take the little two bolts right here. Now we're just gonna pop this off and pop this one off and replace the bulbs. So let's see if I can do it with. I've never done this before. Oh, I guess the trick is you have to twist it. So now it's coming out. Oh, that's not even the right bulb, because she said they were the same. I don't think they're the same. Let's try the other one. Let's try the other one. This one twists too. Okay. Might be the right one for that. The one I got. Ooh, look at it. It's corroded. It's all blue stuff all over it. Okay. But the other bulb is not the same. Alright. Might have to go run back to Canadian Tire. Got this one out. And it was all blue corroded with blue. So I'm just going to grab the new one now. Put that one in. There's a new one. I'm just going to stick it in there. But I might have to use both my hands. So see you in a minute. Bulb, which looks like that. Alright. At least my blinker's working now. The right bulbs this time. And we got the knobbies off. We got those other two off already. Those ones. These two. This one. Okay, I need something to press down on the brakes, so let's try the blinkers again. Why does this blinker doesn't want to stay?